I'm going to take apart this dusty old TV, portable TV. As you can see, it's pretty old. Now, this can go for a bit on eBay, I guess, because it's vintage and blah, blah, blah. But it's like 40 bucks. It's probably going to cost like 10, 15 to ship. This is not worth it to me. And quite frankly, I want this antenna for a radio that I'm making, or modifying. So I'm going to tear this whole thing down. I'm going to start tearing it down. Got one screw out of it, but I think I'm going to need a wrench of some sort pretty soon. I'm going to try to see what's inside of here. Yeah, it looks like it's going to take some sort of size. Why can't I just not use that? I mean, every single one's got like a different size on it. Ridiculous. This one's got a regular in there. If you look, here's one. It's just a nut head, and then we got other ones that are just nut head. I don't know. It's like someone took it apart and didn't, or lost screws or something. Okay, so I got this thing. Hopefully it's strong enough. Oh yeah, plenty of power. Love the speed too. I mean, look at that spinning. Oh yeah, look at this. I can just. Oh man, this thing's a mess. It was literally in my garbage, so I was just gonna throw it out, and I'm like, wait. There you go. That looks good. I have no idea how this is gonna come out, by the way, guys. No clue. I used to take stuff like this apart all the time when I was a kid, but now it's a little bit. It looks like this bottom might come out. Hold on. We're getting somewhere. Oh, wait, hold on. We got a couple more here. Forgot the #1 rule of taking something apart. Make sure you got all of the screws and stuff out. Oh, great, it's a Phillips. You gotta be kidding me. I like how they used to put arrows on them now. They cared less about looks, but more like this is how to take it apart. Fascinating there, really. Oh, looks like the top comes off, actually. There we go. Oh, baby, look at this. Oh, man, look at that. There's a tube in here. Oh, my gosh. I've never seen one before. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Because this is actually black and white, I think. Hold on, I got a tripod here. I'm like tripping all over it. Yeah, this is all color, or not color, but black and white. So this thing's like old. Oh man, this is so cool. I think I'm going to keep this tube. I want to take that out. This tube right here, take it out and like hang it on my wall, I think. I think that would be really cool. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to save certain parts from it. But that antenna has got to go. It is mine to have. It is, I'm just going to cut these wires here. This one goes to the antenna. This one goes to, it looks like, the battery. Oh, okay. Wait, what? It does go to the battery. And then this goes to the other battery. But that says rod antenna. I'm not sure what that means. We got external antenna, rod antenna for the switch. And we got a 12 volt DC input. And we got a V hold. I guess it's vertical hold. And this right here, I'm not sure what this goes to. This is weird and kind of trippy. Okay, I'm just going to cut it because it goes to the battery. And then this one goes to the battery right down there. So I'm not sure what's going on there. We're just going to start cutting stuff. And I'll figure out how it's wired up later and stuff. Oh, we still got one more, it looks like. Okay, so parts of this I am going to save. That is really cool. I like this thing. This thing is sweet. That is like really, 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 really cool. Wait, does this unplug? Oh, yeah. Oh, just like that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to plug that back in. That way those don't get bent. Watch me like damage it plugging it back in. Oh. Alright, but yeah, this is like the coolest looking thing. Okay, but I want the antenna. Where's the antenna at? Okay, it's got, as you can see, let's just move this out of the way here, because this is what we want. Okay, so what we got in here is a Phillips. You can see it way down in here, way down in here. You can just see it. See it? That's got to come out, and I think the antenna will come out. Doing this on camera is so ridiculous, and trying to think of what to say and how to talk. It's very distracting. But, you know, people like to watch this stuff sometimes, so this should, I'm hoping, pull out. Oh, look at that. And I just got myself a big, high quality, look at how long this thing is. This thing is, let me get a tape measure. I'm going to bend this down to here. The two ends are even. It's like a 30-inch, 31-inch telescoping antenna. And it's actually pretty decent quality. Like, I can tell when I'm sliding this. It is not something that's, you know, because it's old, you know. This is back in the day when they used to make these things, because I can extend this out, and, I mean, this feels tight. Like, this is tight. Like, I can wiggle it. It's tight. So, I'm quite happy with that. I'm thinking about it, and, you know, I couldn't decide what parts to leave, what parts didn't, you know, like, do I disconnect this? Which, I'm not, that's so loose. Like, man, old technology, I guess, didn't need to be precise. Because, that sounds like it's scraping inside of there. Pretty bad. Alright. Yeah, it looks like we got some sort of a voltage booster right here. Something that steps it up. And I didn't know, like, to take this off and, like, how do I, you know, really, you know, do I just have the tube taken out and then just put that? So, I've been thinking about it, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this as, like, you know, a decoration. Like something you'd put on a shelf. You know, instead of, like, girly flowers or something like that. I'm going to put this on a nice shelf to look at.